I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel hard. To achieve that perfect, firm texture, precise temperature control is absolutely key. You'll want to use a reliable candy thermometer to monitor your mixture closely. The goal is to reach a specific temperature range, typically between 300 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit, or 149 to 154 degrees Celsius. This high temperature ensures the sugar concentration is just right for a truly hard caramel. Starting with the right ingredients is simple. You'll need sugar, water, and a touch of corn syrup. Combine these in a heavy-bottomed pot, which helps prevent scorching. Stir the mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, resist the urge to stir again. Let it boil undisturbed, allowing the temperature to rise steadily until it hits that critical hard crack stage. The magic happens at the hard crack stage, precisely between 300 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your candy thermometer indicates this temperature, remove the pot from the heat immediately. Carefully and quickly pour the hot caramel onto a greased baking sheet or silicone mat. It's important to work fast. Then, simply let the caramel cool completely and undisturbed. As it cools, it will naturally harden to that desired brittle consistency. For the best results, keep a clean pastry brush and some water handy. If you see any sugar crystals forming on the sides of your pot, gently brush them down into the mixture to prevent graininess. Also, try to make caramel on a day with low humidity, as moisture in the air can make your finished product sticky instead of hard. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.